Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are really doing well. So guys, in today's video I am going to review this Niamax D gel, and if you are interested then please keep on watching the video, and also don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel as it means a hell lot to me. So now without any further ado, let's get started. So the product that I'm talking about is this Niamax D gel. I bought this on Samapti's recommendation, okay, and I think most of us did the same. Okay, so you get 20 gram of the product for rupees 275, and you get this only on one website, that is Click on Care, okay. And does it claim? It claims that it is best for acne prone skin, and if you are suffering from mild to moderate acne, then this is the product for you, okay. So here are the ingredients of the product. These are the ingredients. I'll put a picture of what each ingredient are and what are their uses, so you can pause the video and check it out. And it contains 4% of niacinamide, which is great for acne prone skin and in every concern. Niacinamide is one of the ingredients that is really best for all sort of skin problems. So that is it. And opening the product, this is the product that is inside it, okay, and it is really a small tube, okay. And price wise it's a little expensive, okay, because this tube is not going to last you even for 15 days, and for me it's been 10 days and you can see it's almost over, okay. So this is the product. So coming to the consistency of the product, it is in the form of a gel. It is a clear gel, but yet it's very moisturizing at the same time because it has 5% of glycerine in it. And in this hot and humid weather, sometimes what I do is I just spit some toner on my face and then apply this all over my face. You can use it as a spot treatment or you can apply it all over your face as your wish. So I like applying it all over my face and I am done. I don't need anything else on top of it because it's that moisturizing on my skin. And these days I'm literally loving it, and it gets absorbed into your skin really well. It feels a little bit sticky, but the stickiness go away after 5 to 10 minutes. The stickiness also goes away, so that is the good thing. And it does moisturize my skin, and when my skin is very much irritated, I don't like applying anything else but this product, and I'm really loving it. And see, it gets totally absorbed into your skin, so that is a good thing. So coming to my experience, I bought this because I broke out really bad because of a new product that I was trying out, like this, okay. And this product, within 2 to 3 days, this product really calmed my skin, okay. My skin was really irritated and it was getting breakouts every single day, but it calmed my skin, and within 7 to 8 days you can see there was a drastic result, change in my acne, and I loved it, okay. I really love this product, and I will definitely recommend you to buy this if you are suffering from acne and breakouts and whatnot. It did really calm my skin, and this is one of my favorite gels.